Hey guys, it's Chantel here with your Cruise2 minute tip. Well, if you're like us, you've booked your cruise and it's a little ways out. We're about 5 months out right now. So what do you do between now and your cruise? What can you do right now to start getting ready? Some of the things that I like to do, getting the financial pieces taken care of a little ahead of time and at a little advantage for yourself. If you are, for example, if you're taking a Carnival cruise, our local grocery store carries Carnival gift cards. You can watch out for when they have sales. You get 4 times points on your gift card. You can buy, $100 here, $50 there, and then you can take that to either pay off if you haven't already paid your full fare, or you can bring them with you and use them for your onboard account. Same thing with if you happen to know that you're going to be purchasing airfare through Southwest or Delta. So we'll start doing that in the next few weeks before we purchase our airfare, so we can, get the fuel points, save up for the airfare.